Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to change your life with this information. So obviously you can see I got the big arch. However, swapped out the bun for the McCrispy bun. So that's tip number one. If you have been eating these things like I have lately, they're awesome. Everyone and their brother has been making reviews on it, so you don't really need a full review. However, to make it even better for me, I took out the raw onion. I definitely dig the fried onions around here. Absolutely delicious. But the raw onion I don't think really does anything for it. Just you get that raw onion bite, which, you know, hey, if you like Big Macs and you like the onion, then that makes sense. But the bun change for me is a huge difference because the McCrispy bun is nice and soft. It's like a potato bun. So the reason people like these so much, by the way, is because it actually tastes like it's, you know, fresh, juicy meat from McDonald's. The quarter pounder has always been juicy. But here's the other tip. As you saw, I'm in McDonald's. There happens to be a McDonald's right next to where I work. So I've been frequently picking these things up, and I found the perfect combination. This bun, no raw onion. Amazing stuff. So yeah, there you go. If you try this thing, let me know down in the comment section. But this is the way to do it, in my opinion. If you like the other bun, cool. But this one's just way fresher, softer. I mean, man. But regardless, even if you don't like this at all, if you hit at McDonald's for whatever, you like their nuggets, you like their fries, eat at McDonald's. It makes a world of a difference. Most people bring it home. It turns to a candle after about 20 minutes, right? So if you're actually eating it fresh, it's delicious. And it can turn to a candle inside your gut. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Let me know your opinions down below. See you guys soon with another video. Take care.